We know that clean water is essential for various utilities. Access to clean water has improved over the last decades in almost every part of the world. But there are still many places where clean water is unavailable. Rapthap, a local resident of Pormawlai Village in a remote part of Meghalaya, is one of the people who still face this challenge. Being a resourceful person, however, Rapthap has devised his own ingenious solution using only a bottle, 2 jars and a few pipes. His filtration system is simple. It starts with a bottle that funnels water. For this, Rapthap uses a regular 2-liter soft drink bottle. He cuts the bottle into half and inserts a small wire mesh into the mouth of the bottle. This acts as a filter that prevents large debris from getting into his water filtration system. He then attaches the mouth of this bottle to a pipe which carries the water to a jar. As the jar fills up, the mud and other debris slowly settles to the bottle, while the clear water rises up until it reaches an outlet at the top of the jar. The water exits the jar and flows into another jar, and the entire process repeats itself. It may be noted that both jars have been cut open at the bottom to allow excess water to flow into the ground beneath. After passing through 2 or 3 jars, all the debris would have settled down, leaving behind only clean water. This water is collected in a large tub and is now ready for use.